Hello and welcome to one more video. Today we bring you a property with 22,560 square meters, a house to rebuild, a lot of pines and eucalyptus. Let's see it. So the property begins here. You have access from this road, tarmac road, and that pines you see over there belongs to the property too. So all these pines in here belongs to the property, and then the road and all these are in the property too, and all of this too. It's a property with 2 hectares, 22,000 square meters, and have a ruin to rebuild and a lot of space. So this is the path to the ruin. All these eucalyptus and some pines in there are in the property. The owner have some utilities here, some cars, but it will all be removed. This car, it will all be removed. So all of these pines are in the property, and then we are near to the ruin. It's a nice one. It's big. I think it's 50 meters. So you have some space. At the moment, you have a tractor, but this will be taken. You can close it to put it here, more space, or make it a garage. Remember, these will all be removed. The owner uses this for storage, some cars in here, and this is the rest of the ruin. At the moment I have no roof, this part, only the part to have the tractor. It's a big one. You can rebuild it, and all of this are in the property. Very quiet place, as you can see. Let me show you the ruin from the rest of the sides. The walls are good, just need a roof, and then make insulation, of course, to be habitable. The owner is cleaning the terrain, so that's the Jeep from Ling. The owner is cleaning the terrain. And we can go further. This path goes into the other properties, so this path has to be open, the public one. From both sides, it's all in the property. 22,000 square meters. You can cut some pines and sell it and make the money. With the money, reconstruct or put it on the rest of the property, or leave it and enjoy these trees. So the property goes here all the way. Sometimes it's difficult to see where the marks are because of the bushes, but that's why the owner is cleaning. After he cleans all, it will be much more easier to see where is the marks. So the property goes a little bit more to that side, but it's not clean yet. This side is already cleaned. You can see the difference. It's basically eucalyptus and pines. There's no water from any well, but you can make a borehole, or you can connect to the water, to the main water, because as I show you at the beginning, the tarmac road is in the beginning of the property, so you can connect to the public water and to the electricity that pass by on the property. We see here a construction, but is on the limit of the property. This construction is already from the neighbor. As you can see, there's a mark in there. This is the limit, so this construction of the neighbor is in the limit of the property and goes straight to there. There's another mark up here, straight again to the where we came, and all of this is in the property. So going down to show where it is. You can see another mark in here. Another one that goes straight in there as the construction is. All of these pines, all of this eucalyptus is in the property. And then we go straight like this again to the road. You see some vines. See, it's a fertile soil because you have a lot of water. You can make a borehole, but if you want, just plug the water from the main source, and as you can see, have here the power line, so you can make the connections to the lights too. So all of this we came from there, all these pines, all this eucalyptus property, and you have here a terrain that is more suitable to agriculture too. All this part you can see where the defense of the neighbor, all of this. This pines too goes down and then goes up. It's very easy to see because the neighbors have fence their properties. So it's like a triangle in here. Have some neighbors' dogs coming to visit us. Friendly ones. They just bark to see if I'm a friendly guy or not. Don't worry. So the property goes this triangle, came from there, and then make a triangle back and goes up into the road. Some dog already came to visit me, but he forgot who am I. So you have here the power lines, so you can connect it to your property. There's the closest neighbor. I think the dogs is from that neighbor, but as you can see, they are friendly, don't worry. And you can connect the water too. Hello, Hello. You're in the video now. So now I have a friend to show you the property. It's all of this. As I told you, this is the closest neighbor. All of that is from the property. And we already take the tour from the where I begin here. I go around all the pines, and from this side I have some property too in there. The owner is cleaning, so at the moment some marks are difficult to see, but at some point will be all clean and it will be all clear to see where is the extremes, the limits. So, and that's it. If you have any questions, any doubts, please send us an email or leave a comment below, and we will respond to you as soon as possible. Okay? Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye bye.